What's up, everybody? It's Kelsee Briana J, and today I am doing a classic tutorial where I'm going to be talking to you all about dewy skin for the fall season. Sometimes in the fall we tend to veer towards more matte skin or satin skin, but for me, I sometimes like my skin to look dewy and just fresh, and so I like to use products that give me this effect. So that's what I'm going to be showing you all today. How to achieve dewy skin as we transition into the fall season. And I'm doing this video in collaboration with Skin 1004. They are a Korean skincare brand, and today I'm going to be using their Centella line, which I am so excited to be talking to you all about because I have been using these products over the past few weeks and I have truly enjoyed the results that I've gotten. Their brand really prides itself on using raw, natural, untouched ingredients, and I think that's really cool. These are straight from Madagascar. Their products are hypoallergenic and they're suitable for most skin types. You all know I have combination skin, but honestly, these days I almost want to say I have normal skin, and I've really been working on my skin and I've been loving these products in my skincare routine. So I want to go ahead and jump in. Let's talk about some of these products. I'm going to demo them for you. I will have a link to their website down in the description box, and I hope that you all enjoy. The Madagascar Centella Ampule Foam is a mildly acidic hypoallergenic formula. So for the demo, I'm just lathering this on the skin, letting you all see how it gives a really nice rich foam, and I love that. That is my favorite type cleanser because it really feels like I'm getting my skin clean and it feels super luxe. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of the Daily Care Ampule, and this feels super hydrating on the skin. It's very soothing and it gives you a light layer of moisture, and I love the way it leaves my skin feeling silky after I apply it. And the last step that I like to apply before I put on my complexion products is the soothing cream, and I put this on and it feels so soothing to the touch. I love that when I apply it, it quickly gets absorbed by my skin and I can instantly feel a difference. I feel like this product gives me a really beautiful glass-like skin effect where my skin looks really glowy and it's easy to use for makeup prep. So I think my skin looks really fresh and ready to go for my makeup, and I have been loving using these products. I think they work very beautifully together. So now I want to move on to my complexion products like my foundation, and I feel like I'm all set to go. So for my foundation, I'm going to take the LYX Triple Fix Serum Foundation and just shake it up. I'm going to take one pump of this to start out and just lightly apply it where I want a little bit more coverage, which typically for me is right here on my cheek area as well as on my chin, and then I move it outwards to the rest of my face and then just buff it out. And most of the time I use a sponge to do this, but with this particular foundation, I just think I can work it in and buff it out with the brush and use less product. I think this looks really fresh and I love the finish of this foundation. It has a really beautiful glow, it doesn't feel heavy, and I think it looks really radiant. So now you already know I have to add my concealer on. I'm feeling something a little bit more lightweight, so I'm going to go in with the Armani Luminous Silk Concealer, and I just want a little bit of this right underneath my eyes just because I want this look to be really light and really fresh still, so I don't want to weigh it down with a ton of concealer. And I'm just going to blend this out with the same brush. This is a lightweight concealer, so it's not going to look too concealer-y. It's just going to look pretty natural, but lift you up a little bit and lighten you up. I'm going to put a little bit on my eyelids since I don't want to do too much eye makeup today. I want to keep the focus on the skin. I can always tell the difference when my skin is prepped when I'm applying my foundation because I feel like I use less foundation. Before I set anything, I'm just going to do a little bit of sculpting, and I'm going to take my Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate and just apply that on the cheekbones just to sculpt me out a little cheekbone here. Boom. For a highlight, I'm going to go in with the Patrick Ta. I just sprayed it. For a blush, I just want to go in with just a touch of the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush, just a little bit, and blend that out just to give some color. Yes, I am here for the skin. It looks good. It looks glowy. You can stop here if you just love the all over glow, but I do enjoy a little powder. So I'm just going to take a little bit of powder. This one is a one size powder. I just want to take it right here. So just right here. But everywhere else, I'm just going to enjoy that glow. You know, I'm going to take a little bit of powder on my eyelids too. Everything else takes a back seat. I don't even want to put powder under my eyes today. So for brows, I'm just going to take a clear brow gel because I want this look to be natural. I want it to be fun and I want it to be free. And for the eyes, I'm just going to do a couple coats of mascara and I'll be right back. I love the way that my skin looks. I love a dewy, fresh look for fall. And I know that's not the typical look that people usually veer towards for the fall season, but I do enjoy a dewy look because it gives me something fresh. And as the seasons change and my skin naturally gets drier, I appreciate my skin looking hydrated and just lovely and smooth. So I love the way that everything turned out. Thank you again to Skin 1004 for collaborating with me. I have really been loving their skincare. I will have a link to their skincare down below where you all can purchase it and you can see all the products that they offer. I think their skincare line is phenomenal and I love their ingredient deck. And as you all can see, it agrees with me because my skin is glowing and it is smooth. So let me know what you all think down in the comment section. How do you all prefer your face to look in the fall season? Do you like a matte look or do you still enjoy your dewy skin? Let me know down below and I will check you all in my very next video, which will be super soon. Smooches. Bye.